Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another amazing video. Welcome back to 2023, a year of blessing, a year of financial breakthrough, a year of mwaka tu ya baraka. So to my new subscribers, welcome, feel at home. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to Fridah Kassim channel, please subscribe, feel at home. Subscribing is free, and also put that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be number one to be notified. And also to 2023, I wish all my subscribers happy new year, a year of blessing, a year of financial breakthrough, a good year, yeah. Ikuwe tu mwaka tu kwako. Kama ulikuwa unataka kufungua biashara, fungua. Kama ulikuwa unatafuta kazi, naomba tu upate. Kama ulikuwa unatafuta mtoto, Mungu akubariki tu na mtoto mwaka. And also to my new subscribers, karibuni, feel at home. Hapa ndio nyumbani. Jisikie mpo nyumbani. Welcome, feel at home. Yeah. So, and also to people who they don't know me, my good name is Fridah Kassim YouTube channel. Fridah Kassim everywhere, on Instagram Fridah Kassim, on YouTube Fridah Kassim. So unanipata kote na Fridah Kassim. So that's the name that I'm using. Yeah, that's my good name. So guys, so I'm here to say thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you so much. If you have been supporting me, thank you so much. Okay, thank you from my bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. So today we are going to talk about a recap of 2022, New Year 2023, and also I will be also unboxing my Christmas gifts. So sijui nianze wapi. So I'm going to start with 2022, a recap of 2022. Yani 2022 was amazing, was a good year. I can say 2022 tulifika 1K subscribers on YouTube. Oh my goodness, I can't say that. So guys, so even this year guys, tunaweza fika hata 5K ama 10K. So keep subscribing to my channel, keep that notification bell. Tell your friend to subscribe to my channel. Mwambie akiona hiyo channel asipite, mwambie tu asubscribe. Na kusubscribe au katwe anything, ni free. It is free kabisa. So when talking about 2022 I was not serious guys. Sikukuwa serious. I was posting like 3 videos in 1 month. 3 videos in 1 month. And also, you know, I was also busy 2022. Nilikuwa busy. Also this year, even if I'm busy, I will try as much as I can, yeah, to post a video for you guys so that you can watch. I'll be consistent, yeah, because 2022 it's like I was joking, but I was not serious with the time I was posting hata usiku katikati ningeposta manini. I was not serious about the time I was posting. And also I was not also serious with hata nini kutoa video. Sometimes ningepata tu it is my free time and I'm sleeping. No, this time I utilize my free time. Yes, 2023. I will use my time well. And also 2022, apart from being lazy, I was a bit lazy in posting. I was reluctant, let me say that. Yani si kupost, I was so lazy in posting videos. Yeah, and also time time. I was not keeping time. I was not keeping the track of time when I'm posting and when should not post. You know what? And also I noticed my viewers ni watu wa night na ni watu hapo saa 9 mchana. So that is the time I noticed, yeah, this is the time now I should be posting. No, you know what? You go as ukiendelea ndio unaendanga you learn your subscribers, you learn ni watu aina gani hivyo. So the moment sasa nimejua watu wangu wanaonanga video zangu time fulani, so I think that the best time for me to be posting. Yes. And also talking about 2022, my camera got spoiled, so that's why the whole December I did not post anything. I did not post totally anything. Ukiwa na watoto tu expect tu kitu yako itaharibika. When you are mom, you expect anything. Mtoto atarusha tu kamera nini, atarusha simu yako yenye unatumianga na baby kama yangu ndio na shoot nayo nini, na sio mtoto amechukua amerusha, unaona? So inakupea break dogo. That's why the whole December I did not post anything. Yes, na mwaka ikaisha hivyo, 2022 ikaisha hivyo, but now we thank God for 2023. Talking about 2023, no, this year I want to be consistent. I want to be consistent. I want to be keeping track on when to post my videos, the time. I want to be which is conscious, and also I want to be kujikuwa najishughulikia sometimes, because sometimes you forget about yourself. Yes, and also this year I want to be, nataka tu nikuwe tu my free time. I want to use my free time well. I want to use my free time very well. When talking about free time, say at free time at you are going to do where no, free time I want to use it. If it is content, nimefanyia content hivyo, nikijua even if napumzika, yeah, there is something for you guys to watch, so that channel yangu iskai ati na post 1 month aje. No, hey, no. This 2023, it's a year of prosperity. I want to be, nataka nikuwe tu consistent. Yeah? Consistent. Yani, that word, nataka ikuwe tu ndio word yangu ya 2023. Consistency. Hivyo, nataka tu nitie tu bidii, seti hivyo tu. That's my word for 2023. Na Mungu tu ani-lead hivyo tu. That's my word for 2023. May God lead me and consistent. I want to be consistent and may God lead me. Yeah, and also for my fans, my viewers, may God protect me wherever you're watching this video, whatever you're doing. May 2023 be a year of blessing, a year of financial breakthrough to you, whoever is watching. May here be a year of blessing to everyone. And also, yeah, so I'll be unboxing my Christmas gifts. Yes, I got this one from one of my fans. Niambia, hey, nilipata off guard. So guys, we will be unboxing with you. We'll be unboxing with you. Okay, tutafungua na nyinyi. Okay, tutafungua na nyinyi, we see what is inside. Okay, let's show you. So that's the first gift. Do you know my content? Check the money. Wow. Wow, this one looks so nice. This one looks so good. It's a leather, by the way, in leather, huh? I can't wait to slay on it. Ndio so, wacha tuweke kamba tuone vile inakaa. Napitia hapo nyuma hivyo, alafu nakuja unaingizia hapa. Naona vile inakaa. Alafu hapa ndio mbele, so unakuja unafungia, unafunga hivi hapa mbele, hapo nafunga hivyo. Wow, thank you Charlene. Oh my goodness, thank you Charlene, thank you for this gift. Wow, thank you so much. I can't wait to rock on it when I'm going for my dinner. It looks so nice, eh? Let's see the next one. Wow, this one looks good, eh? What? Let me open inside and then see how it looks like. It is still a leather. Leather kabisa, by the way. So it looks inside. Alafu kifungo nafungia hapo, and then unabeba hivi. Looks so good, eh? New babies in my closet. Wow. Hii ni poa. Hii ni poa na ni cotton. This one looks so good. Kwanza iko na yellow. Yellow. Hey. Tajua jamii ni Mkamba nisipavaa kitu iko na yellow. It looks so nice. But nakaa hivyo. Ni kubwa, by the way. It's so big, eh? It's very big. So iko hivyo. Ni kubwa sana. But nikishonesha ka dress ndaonyesha. So make sure you follow me in my Instagram account, Fridah Kassim, and also keep watching my YouTube channel and subscribe, because I'll be showing you more transformation videos in my channel. So keep tuned in my channel. A lot more is coming. More videos are on the way, so keep watching, keep sharing. No, like video, please make sure you like the video. Yeah. A lot more video are on the way. So keep watching, sharing, subscribing, because we'll be doing transformation videos very soon on my channel. So kindly watch, like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And bye bye. I'll see you on the other video, on the next video.